Hey everybody, this is Coach Emmett coming to you from beautiful Georgetown, Texas, here in room 122. Hope you're having a great evening. Let's get to it. Lesson 2-1, writing equations. We've done some stuff like this already, so this should be a pretty easy section. And actually the next couple are going to be pretty easy because it's going to be just like solving equations and that kind of thing, but we're going to go to writing equations. Before we were just doing expressions. Remember now, equations, they're going to have sentences, they're going to have an equal sign. All right, so we're going to jump back and forth. A number b divided by 3 is equal to 6 less than c. All right, so we're looking for this right here, is equal to. That's where our equal sign is going to be. So we're going to split it into two different parts. A number b divided by 3. So you could write b divided by 3, but remember I told you I don't really like to see that way. I want you to start thinking about fractions and being able to work with those. So b divided by 3 equals 6 less than c. So this is a little bit different. When it says 6 less than c, you need to have the c minus 6. That's 6 less than c right there. We're not solving it or anything right now. We're just translating it into an equation. And really, there's not much else we can do to that one. Okay, so let's go on. 15 more than z times 6 is 11 less than y times 2. So again, I'm looking for the is or is equal to, and that's going to tell me where to split the equation up. Okay, 15 more than z times 6. 6z plus 15 is 11 less than y times 2. 2y minus 11. And that's it. I mean, it's that simple, guys. It's just reading it and putting it into what it's supposed to be. So I'll let you go ahead and answer this one. Ready, set, go. Okay, so a number c multiplied by 6. Well, that's going to be 6c is. So right now I'm going to stop and I'm going to look for something that has 6c on one side. Well, A does, B does not, can't be that, C can't be that one, D can't be that one. So right there, I know that it's A. Working smarter, not harder. Now let's check and see if the other side is D plus 2. 2 more than D. 2 more than D. So right there, it doesn't look the same, but remember, when you add or when you multiply, order doesn't matter. It's only when you divide or subtract. So we can go D plus 2 equals 6C right there. Okay. A jelly bean manufacturer produces a lot of jelly beans per hour. How many hours does it take them to produce 10 million jelly beans? 10 million jelly beans. Well, what's the equation that I could use right here? And we're going to skip the 5-step problem solving plan. There's a 5-step thing that their book talks about, and we're just going to skip it. Okay? Well, if it does this in 1 hour, 1, 2, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, I'm going to put that in parentheses. In 1 hour, how long does it take to make it equal to a big number right there, to 10 million? Right there. And the way that I would solve this is, y'all know it, divide both sides by 1.25 million. All right, and what is it, like 6 or 7? 7, maybe 8? Right around there. Okay? All right, a person on this typed 148 words per minute. How many minutes would it take to do that? Work it out. Ready, set, go. Give you 5 seconds to pause it and work it out. Okay, so when we look at this problem, the original one was 148 divided, or 148 m equals 35552. And then so you divide both sides by 148 and you get m equals 24. 24 minutes. Remember, if it's a word problem, we need to have it labeled right there. You got to label it. Okay? Okay. The area of a circle equals the product multiplying pi and the square of a radius r. Pi and the square of a radius right there. area equals pi r squared. Area equals pi r squared. Right there. Guys, this is a lot of, this is algebra right here, where you're going to read something, you're going to have to translate it to something else. All right, so translate the equation into a verbal sentence. Right here, equal sign. So we got to have this on one side, we have to have this on the other. I'm going to say, let's do it this way. Let's go 2 times a number less than 12 is equal to -5. All right, so right there, 2 times a number less than 12. So I've got my 2 times a number less than 12. So that means the 12 goes first and the 2 times a number goes after it, and it's a subtraction problem, is equal to -5. I think that checks out. All right. We'll do some of these in class. All right, guys. All right, so that's it. That's all I got for you. Come ready to work. We need to get to work on chapter 2. I want a better product on chapter 2 than we got on the test on chapter 1. And hopefully we'll turn things around. We'll get it going. Okay, guys? Make sure you get your whisk done. Remember, if you don't have any questions, you're writing a question that the class can answer. All right. We'll talk to you later. Bye.